Hagani Jingrakhe advance Christmas bakas Snem Thymmai. Lawan bani shimbenta di ginong ilam nyam ginong ilam shnong bagi kenhuan boper jangka South Shillong constituency. Benelek Pynlong ya ke Christmas bakas Snem Thymmai. Hagabal od ukiak Christmas kum kadak jangka Jingrakhe. Uba Sanbor Shullai ubalong ru MLA ke South Shillong ula jingarap de kesong tengkas ki balang bagi dor parshnong bagi niok ban kre ke Jingrakhe Christmas bat Snem Thymmai. Bakan long ke job ber ke basongkun. Bala samru ke jing ais ko bhash ki kanaret bar ya barok ke balawan mane shimbenta hagane ke Jingrakhe. Uba Sanbor Shullai lo kentu ya barok ke nong bagi debat pen priang ya ke kubor jong ke jing iet bar ke jing kemen. Kam tam e hagane ke ayom jong ke jing lek kemen. Hagane ke sila yo ru ke jing ruai Christmas bele shimbenta da bunut ki nong ruai. Bat ka wei ke bala pen sko tenat ya barok ke balawan syakane ke Jingrakhe kare ke jing tem ya ki sur jing ruai da ka kenhon jong ka cathedral ban.
And only one message I want to send through you, all our brothers and sisters, our senior citizens and the leaders of various church committee, that this is my life experience, my social and political experience, that I used to have ample time when I travel outside my state. And I'm having small holy books in my briefcase. So that is the beauty of my life. Then you don't have anything to do inside the flight when it is flying. So I enjoy myself reading the holy books, be it the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Gita, Guru Granth Sahib, the Tripartite, or the Khat Kantanga Bakhoy. It teaches the same thing. It teaches that all living thing in this earth, be it human being, be it animals, be it birds, fish, or insect, all living things in this earth are being created by only one soul of God. So we are here today. We may belongs to various faith and religion. We may belongs to various different communities. But remember, all my brothers and sisters, and senior citizens and church leaders, we are all created by only one soul of God. So, and happy Christmas and New Year.